Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am very excited for this episode and what to show you around what we've done so far with the new accent wall that I have, and also a few packages came through that I'll be adding up to spice up the plate. We still have like some flowers that I need to, some plants that I need to add up to the place. So I am excited. I'll show you around my desk what it currently looks like, show you the entire room, not the entire room, but the side of the room, because there's so many things currently back here. But we'll show you the things that I have on my desk, what I'm looking to add. So I got a few things, which is I got a monitor arm so I can place my sound bar on so I can have some good music, and also I got a desk mount. I don't know what it's called, kind of, it's like a, yeah, when I put it up you see. And also I got a new cabinet. I have a few other things that I might order pertaining to a few things, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And come, let me show you my cards. So guys, these are the stuff. So we'll be going on, I'll be taking stuff off this, and I will be put on the new stuff. So yeah. So guys, the first thing we have is this board. So, oh shoot, did it come broken? Yeah. Oh my goodness, it looks like it did come broken. Let me see if I can show this window. There is a whole line here. It's kind of broken, even though like it's not a big problem, but I have to return this. So dang, I'm bummed, but yeah, I'll have to return it because of the crack mat. So yeah, this is a monitor arm. This monitor arm looks better than the last one I got, but I hope it's not the same. Hello guys, so it's done. Now we have this. I have my sound bar here. Did a few cable managements here. Let me show you what I did. So I have this. It's well fitted. It's very sturdy. Yeah, I actually do like what I was able to do with having turned anything. Need to wipe down the table, but so far everything does look good. So guys, with that being said and done, the next thing I'll be working on is No, actually working this will unbox this 3-drawer cabinet that I got. I am thinking either on the left side or the left side. I might go for the right side and we'll see where it goes. This is so cool. It's really cool. This is the keys. It comes in like this, so that's pretty cool. I don't know what this, but I'm gonna take it off. But yeah. Okay. Come over here. Some of you may wonder, but this comes with rollers, so I think I'll keep those on. Oh, those are fancy ones. So I'll be doing that. Guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below on what do you think about the minimalistic setup I currently have, but I'm looking forward to have spice things up. But yeah, need to do some cable management. But thank you all for watching this, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.